Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional YouTube banner using just your phone and the Canva app. Let's jump right in. First, let's open the Canva app, tap on the Create button at the bottom. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube banner and then add your channel's niche. For example, I'll type tech. Before we move on, open the category option and make sure YouTube banner is selected. Now, you'll see a list of ready-to-use templates. I'm going to pick this blue design to start our edits. Once the design opens, let's customize it. I'll start by removing this person's photo. If you want to add your own photo, you definitely can. But for this one, I'll delete it. Just tap the image, click the trash icon at the top, and select Delete Frame. Now let's play with the text. I'm going to change the main title to Tech Solve Daily. To change the font, tap on Font at the bottom and click the arrow to see all the options. I'm going to go with Helvetica Bold Oblique. You can easily move, resize, or pinch the text with your fingers to get it just right. Next, let's update the smaller description text. I'll change it to Fixing Android and App Problems Made Easy. I'll adjust its position and size, and then I'll tweak the spacing. Go to Advanced at the bottom, and under letter spacing, you can make the text tighter or wider. I'll also change this font the same way we did before. To make it look more professional, tap Elements at the bottom and search for a line. I'll place this line right under the main title for a nice aesthetic touch. Let's also add some shadows to our text to make it pop. Select the text, go to Effects. Choose Shadow and adjust the settings until it looks perfect. I'll do the same for the smaller text too. Now, I'm moving the subscribe button to a better spot. I'll also add a little note on the side that says new video every week. Next, let's add some social media icons, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Just search for them in the Elements section, add them in, and you can type your handles right next to them. I'll arrange them neatly in a row. Now, on the right side, I'm adding a laptop and a phone icon to represent the tech content. You can add whatever fits your channel from the Elements library. When you're happy with how everything looks, tap the download button at the top and the banner will be saved to your phone's gallery. Now let's head over to YouTube to upload it. Open your channel, tap Edit Channel, and then tap on the banner image area at the top. Choose the photo we just created. Here's a quick tip. If you notice that some elements are getting cut off when viewing on a mobile phone, go back to Canva and make the middle section of your design a bit smaller. This ensures everything fits perfectly within the safe area for mobile screens. And that's it. Your channel now has a fresh, professional look. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.